At the heart of most businesses is a large number of complex processes, and those processes are governed by forms. Forms drive processes by standardizing the information captured and by helping to quickly identify issues. Since the beginning of mass production, the goal has been to make these processes as efficient as possible. Technology has always been central to this goal, increasing capacity and yield with more and more sophisticated machines. But while corporations have spent billions on machinery, many are still using paper forms and Excel spreadsheets as a central data management tool to govern operational processes. Paper forms are inherently inefficient. They get lost or damaged, they create opportunities for mistakes and human error, can be hard to understand, can require training, and do little to guide the process. They can waste time because they are physical documents that need to be transported around the facility. And virtually all information eventually needs to be digitized at some point anyway, which requires arduous, mind-numbing manual inputting. Studies have also shown that today's workers want less paperwork. So the end goal of paperwork, making processes more efficient, is actually not being achieved.
Digitization is when you take your existing processes and you improve them by moving them from big, clunky Excel spreadsheets and paper documents into a digital format that lets anybody get things done no matter where they are, on their phone, on their tablet, or on their desktop computer. So we move our customers from these archaic paper documents to these living digital documents that anyone in the facility can access at any time to get things done. Your forms become faster and easier to use. They're able to collect richer data, photos, locations, and user info automatically. They're able to guide processes by hiding or showing options based on user selections, and so much more. So instead of wasting time with messy and inefficient paperwork, staff now have access to the tools and training and resources that they need to do their job effectively. Instead of waiting days or even weeks to identify a problem, read a report, now staff and supervisors are alerted in real time. Weever Apps gives managers and company leadership access to rich, dynamic reports that tell them what's really going on. Access to better and more current information can be a game changer for our customers.